Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, today I'm going to show you the differential equation, what's the differential equation, and the graph of the solution, and the solution of the differential equation. Yeah, for the first one, as I show here, that one is the differential equation. It's not a derivative. So normally we write dy dx so we write this one to this form. So that one is not so as we in the calculus 1 we knew for the calculated derivative, here is x is the only variable on the right. Here we have x and y, so a little bit different. So but how can we, for problem 1, what's the property of this differential equation? We have no idea, so we need to solve the differential equation. So if we write something here and we put y in left side, x in right hand side, and we take the integral on both sides, and we get this. Then okay, I suppose you see here. Yeah, then we doing the simplification, we get this. Then so the whole idea is like because we don't want to, if we want to calculate the y prime equal to only one variable here, only if x only one x here, only the variable is x, we knew how to solve this problem. It's similar with the calculus 1. But here, okay, since we knew square root a square of y square is equal to this, then we go back to here. We knew y prime is x times y cubed, so we just need to solve the y. Is this one, and y is this one. Yeah, here is some calculation. Yeah, and we solve the y prime equal to this. Here is the variable here is x, so when we take the limit x goes to 0, we get whole thing is 0, right? Just like 0 divided by c minus 0 is 0, right? Then if x goes to large, so when we back to here, this equation, and when x is large, but how large is it? So we need to limit the x. So we knew this equation, and for this equation, because y everything square should be right, and this one cannot be 0 since this one is in the denominator. So we get this, and we limit here, then we take the limit. So for the graph, we can think here. So here, if x goes to square root of positive square root of c, we get this. if they go to the minus square root of c, we have the same thing. So it's like this. Here is the y graph. Okay, for the part B, how can we prove this one is satisfy the solution is satisfy the differential equation? The easiest way, just need to plug in. Yeah, here, just calculate the derivative. Yeah, they are equal. Yeah, satisfied. Here is the graph when C is from minus 10 to 10. You can use the mathematics to calculate. I use the online one. It's kind of like the shooting method in physics. So for the shooting method, we have 1 point, and we use the computer program to run this one to find the C. Then here is find the C. We just need to plug in 1 point. When x equal to 0, y equal to 2. So we found C. It's this. And we plug in the solution. Thank you.